Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can claim your Rats Kingdom tokens from the Rat Kingdom Telegram bot to your wallet, your Web3 wallet. It can either be MetaMask or Trust wallet, but this only applies for verified users only, because when you see here, you can see it saying if you're a verified user, you can claim your Rat Kingdom tokens now, but it only applies for verified users. But I'll be showing you the steps on how you can claim your Rat Kingdom tokens. So there's a manual that has been provided on how to claim your Rat Kingdom, or the steps on how to claim your Rat Kingdom. So let me show you the manual. So here it is, Rats Kingdom. You can see. Then the first sentence is how to claim your Rat Kingdom tokens from the Aidrop claim bot to your Web3 wallet. So step 1, you can see here, it's saying make sure you have enough pool to transact make sure you have enough pool for transaction fee. So basically, for you to claim your Rat Kingdom tokens, you must have some pool in your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet account for you to be able to claim the Rats tokens. So that's requirement for step 1. Then step 2, you add the Rat Kingdom wallet address to your wallet. So it says add Rat Kingdom token to your wallet. So I'll be showing you how you can add that. I'll also show you how you can get some pool in your MetaMask wallet. So okay, let's move on. Step 3 says connect your wallet to the Aidrop Claim Mini app. For you to receive your tokens, you need to connect your wallet to the Aidrop Claim Mini app. Then that link is there. So step 3, you have to connect your wallet and your Telegram Mini app. There's a button for that on the Telegram Mini app bot. Then let's move on. Step 4 says claim your Rat Kingdom tokens to your wallet. Then we have the steps on how to claim. Here they are. Let me highlight them. Then important note, only verified users can claim. If your profile is verified, you can claim immediately. But manual users, those who don't have verified accounts, will have to wait. They have to wait or a complete manual KYC before claiming. So okay, with all that said, let me take you through the steps on how to claim your Rat Kingdom tokens from your bot to your Web3 wallet. So okay, let's start with the first step, which is to have enough pool for transaction fee. Step 1. So yeah, okay, head on to your MetaMask. So remember, we need some pool here, around 15 pool that will be used as a gas fee. So okay, open your MetaMask and switch the network to Polygon. Okay, so yeah, tap there. Then come and tap Polygon mainnet. Then confirm. Then switch network. So okay, then yeah, got it. Then there we are. So we need some little pool here. So how you get some pool, you can choose to deposit from your centralized exchange like Binance, or you can ask someone from your contact or from your friend who has some pool to send you some. So if you have some in your Binance, just go to your Binance wallet, then convert some pool. For my case, I didn't have some, so it's around 5 goes for 1, 3. So it's 5. So yep, so just convert if you don't have. So convert, then yeah, let me do that. Not now. Then confirm. So right now I have some pool in my centralized exchange, which is Binance. Now transfer these pool to your MetaMask wallet, because they'll be required as a gas fee. So head on to withdraw pool. Tap on withdraw. Then send via a crypto network. Then okay, the address, let me get the address. So the deposit address, come back and get it here from the pool. tap on poll, then okay, then choose where's the address, yeah, tap on receive, then yeah, copy this address, because now we are going to send some poll into this address. So yeah, just come back now and tap, go back to your wallet, paste the address there, then choose the network, Polygon, make sure it's Polygon network, then tap that, then a minimum of 15. So yep, then come and tap here withdraw, then come and tap here confirm. So when you tap confirm, basically you'll have transferred some poll from your Binance wallet to your MetaMask. Okay, let me authenticate. So on doing that successfully, your poll balance will reflect here. So when your poll balance reflects here, you have more than 15 polls, then you're good to go. You can now proceed to step 2. So step 2 says add TRX token to your wallet. Before claiming, you must add the before claiming, you must add the RAT token contract address to your you must add the RK token contract address to your wallet. Then here's the contract address I've been given. So okay, let me show you how you can add this contract address to your wallet. Okay, so the first step, copy this address. So I'll provide the address on the description of the video, so don't worry about that. Copy it. So okay, copy that address. After copying the address, now go open your MetaMask wallet and now import this address. So okay, let me show you how you do that. So open your MetaMask, come and tap here on import. Tap import, then choose custom network. Tap on custom network, then paste the address here. So the address you have copied, paste it there. Then tap just do it. Then yeah, come and tap here next. Then you can see, would you like to import this token, a Rat Kingdom token? So okay, I'm okay, I want to import it. Come and tap here, import. Then wait for a bit. Then there it is. So you can see we have our Rat Kingdom token imported successfully. Now when you deposit your Rat tokens, your Rat Kingdom tokens, they will reflect here. So you must import this for you to be able to receive your Rat Kingdom tokens. So after doing step 2, let's now proceed to step 3. So okay. So step 3 is saying connect your wallet to the Aidrop Claim Mini app for you to be able to claim your tokens. And here are the steps. So step 1, open Telegram Mini Aidrop. So go to Aidrop Claim Mini app, then tap on connect wallet. Then after tapping on connect wallet, choose the option for MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any compatible wallet. So and the compatible wallets are only Web3 wallets. So it's best if you use MetaMask or Trust. So for our case, we were using MetaMask. So we proceed with MetaMask. Then a confirmation request will appear in your wallet. In case it doesn't, just try again. Then when the confirmation message appears, tap on click to approve. So okay, so they've said that you open your Telegram bot. So yeah, head on to go and open it. Then yeah, proceed to tap on claim. This is if you are verified. Then after tapping on claim, an option claim will be visible for you. So tap that claim option. After tapping the claim option, you'll be asked to choose the wallet address you want to go with. So choose MetaMask. Because if you're using MetaMask, choose MetaMask. If you're using Trust Wallet, choose Trust Wallet. So when you choose that, a confirmation message will appear, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the transaction. So just tap on confirm and proceed. Then another prompt will appear asking you to accept the request from MetaMask for the gas fee. And when you do that correctly, your Rat Kingdom will be transferred from your Telegram mini airdrop to your MetaMask wallet. Then you can proceed to step 4, which says claim your Rat Kingdom tokens. To receive your token, you need to connect your wallet to the Aidrop Claim Mini app. So that now that your wallet is connected, it's time to claim your tokens. So how to claim? Open here. So basically, I've discussed all of these steps above. So when you do all the steps as I have said, you'll successfully claimed your Rats Kingdom tokens, and they will come and reflect here depending on the tokens you had on your wallet. But for us who don't have verified Telegram accounts, we just have to wait, complete KYC, then that's when we'll be able to claim our Rats Kingdom tokens. So basically that's it. That's the steps on how you can claim your Rats Kingdom tokens if you have a verified Telegram account. So basically that's how you do it. If this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you're new to my channel, continue watching my videos for more mining updates.